This is the making of the Narita Airport Short Movie. In Photos, click the Albums icon at the bottom and then click the plus sign at the top left-hand corner to create a new album. Enter the name of the album, then save it. Select the photos and clips you want to be in the final video clips, then click Add. Now, you are ready to create the magic video. Open iMovie app and click Start New Project. Select Magic Movie. Select the just created album. Then select the photos and clips in the desired sequence you want them to appear in the final clip. When finished selecting, click the Create Magic Movie at the bottom to start making the movie. You can further customize the movie. You can edit the movie by clicking the pen icon on the right-hand side of the clips to enter the editing mode. Select the clip you want to edit. Click the title icon on the bottom to edit the title. You can add a new title. Select the clip. Click the title icon at the bottom. Choose the appearance from the template. Then edit the title. In the editing mode, you can change the length of each clip in the movie. Select the clip and drag the yellow edge to increase or decrease the length of the clip. You can rearrange the order of a clip in the movie. Just drag the clip up or down. You can add a new clip to the movie, at the project panel, by clicking the Add icon on the left-hand side at the bottom. You have three options to add a clip. I used a clip from the library on the phone to add a new clip to the movie. When you finish editing, click the Done at the top left-hand side corner to complete the movie. You can come back to edit at any time.